What if a luxury sedan could make you smile every time you turn the key and still keep its cool long after the warranty expires? Sounds pretty rare, right? Well, stay with me till the end because we're going to count down 10 luxury sedans that shine long after the safety net of a warranty is gone. Now, these cars aren't just pretty interiors and big badges. They deliver dependable ownership, reasonable upkeep, and that loving feeling at 100,000 miles and beyond. And yes, number 3 flips the script on what reliable luxury can look like in an electric world. So let's roll, and as usual, I'm counting down from 10 to number 1. So stay till the end to discover the very best, cheapest, and most reliable luxury sedan to own long after that warranty is expired. So let's start off with a sleeper. In at number 10, we have the Acura RLX, the car that your neighbor thinks is, well, just another Acura until they actually ride in it. See, the RLX packages a smooth V6, a huge back seat, and an easygoing demeanor that makes every commute feel first class. The sport hybrid version layers in torque-rich electric assistance without the fragile complexity that you'd expect. And because Acura lives inside the Honda ecosystem, well, routine maintenance tends to be simple and parts are widely available. It's the kind of luxury sedan that doesn't nag you for attention. No drama, no mystery warnings, just quiet, confident miles that keep your budget intact years after the warranty clock actually stops. Up next, in at number 9, it's the Volvo S90, the Scandinavian calm on 4 wheels. Now, the design is minimalist and handsome today, and the good news is it'll still look fresh in a decade, which is, by the way, half the battle with luxury cars. Now, Volvo's built their reputation on safety, and the S90's driver assistance tech, well, it's well calibrated rather than gimmicky, which helps those systems age gracefully. Now, owners tend to report solid durability from the powertrains and reasonable service costs for the segment, especially if you keep up with fluid changes and software updates. It's the sedan that you buy when you want an elegant daily drive that doesn't shout, but I promise it will quietly protect your wallet. Down to number 8, and here we have the Genesis G80, the value assassin. Now, people still say, isn't that a Hyundai? And then they sit in the cabin and they go silent. Materials and assembly feel more like cars a class above. The infotainment remains intuitive years later, and the drivetrains have proven stout with routine care. Even better, the depreciation works in your favor on the used market. You get newer years, lower mileage, and modern tech for money that wouldn't touch a comparable German flagship car. Long after the original warranty ends, the G80 keeps acting like it's still under one. Sliding in at number 7, we've got the Audi A6. Now, think of it as the techie executive that actually ages well. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive is more than a badge. It's a robust, proven system that delivers grip and confidence in all seasons without becoming a maintenance headache when miles pile up. Inside, the switchgear leather and the trim are built to be touched, not just photographed. And if you keep up with scheduled services, well, you'll find the A6 holds its composure and its performance and its refinement, making it one of the safer long-term German bets. So now we're halfway home at number 6, and here we have the Lexus ES, the quiet achiever. Now, if reliability had a mascot, it would be the ES. Powertrains are shared with Toyota in all the good ways. The ride is couch smooth, and the cabin shrugs off wear like it's allergic to any scuffs. The hybrid variant is a long-distance champ, and owners routinely report high mileage with minimal drama. Even the consumables like the brakes and the tires, well, they tend to go longer thanks to the ES's relaxed tuning. You buy one with your head, and of course, you end up loving it with all your heart. So in at number 5 on this list is the BMW 5 Series because, well, let's face it, luxury doesn't have to be sleepy. The 5's magic trick is balance, rewarding steering and chassis tuning paired with long-haul comfort. Now, recent generations have also improved in the reliability stakes according to owner surveys, making the 5 less of a gamble than it once was. Now, if you keep to the service intervals and you use quality fluids, well, it repays you with a solidity that actually lasts. Now, here's a bonus. Demand for good examples remains very strong. So when you do come to sell, well, residuals are often kinder than most of its rivals. Next up, and just off the podium at number 4, is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the Swiss Army knife of luxury sedans. You name it, well, the E does it well. The ride quality, the sound isolation, the safety tech, the powertrains that feel barely awake at highway speeds. The interiors wear like a favorite leather jacket if you avoid neglect. And parts availability is excellent because, let's face it, Mercedes sells these by the truckload worldwide. If you follow the maintenance schedule, and an E-Class will keep you treating like a VIP long after the new car perfume fades. So before we hit the top 3, here's a quick favor I've got to ask you. If this list already saved you from an expensive mistake or it pointed you towards a smarter buy, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe buttons because, well, it helps more people find honest car advice. So now down to number 3, and this is the curveball. It's the Tesla Model S. Electric, luxurious, and when you look at long-term ownership, surprisingly simple. It's got fewer moving parts, and that means fewer traditional failures. Over-the-air updates keep the car feeling current, and many high-mileage packs still show strong capacity retention with normal use. Now, if you add in the supercharger network for painless road trips, well, you've got a luxury car that can actually get better with age. Now, if you value minimal maintenance and instant torque that embarrasses exotics, well, the Model S deserves a serious look. Down to number 2. And here we have the Porsche Panamera, because let's face it, some of us want a sports car that can actually carry friends and luggage. Now, Porsche's recent dependability scores and its owner feedback have been very strong, and it shows in the Panamera's long-term manners. These cars feel tight years later. The switchgear still clicks with purpose, and the hatchback practicality means you use it more, not less. Now, again, to be frank, maintenance isn't cheap, but the value props are performance that doesn't fade and resale that stays healthy if you service on time and you keep records. So, finally, reigning in at number 1, we've got the Lexus LS, the flagship that made luxury reliability a brand. Now, LS owners often talk about the way these cars age. The serenity never really leaves, the interior stays immaculate with basic care, and the drivetrains are engineered for the long game. Now, you can chase flashier tech elsewhere, but nothing tops the LS for the buy it, maintain it, and forget about it ownership experience. It's a sedan that you hand down to a family member with total confidence. So there it is. 10 luxury sedans that won't turn into financial time bombs when the factory coverage actually runs out. From the stealth wealth Acura RLX to the iron-fisted Lexus LS, well, these picks are based on patterns that we see again and again in reliability studies and real-world owner reports. And by the way, if you want my shortlist by budget, say under 30,000, under 40,000, or even certified pre-owned, let me know below and I'll tailor a video specifically for it. So if this helped, subscribe for our daily buyer's guides that skip the hype and save you money. And in the meantime, take care, my fellow drivers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And until then, drive smart and spend smarter. Have a great day.